And yeah, do your best today.
Pinanapit po sa inyo lahat. Good luck po sa inyo. Good luck sa audition.
Grabe guys. Guys, sigaw kayo kapag pogi si Ashton. Hey, daming sumigaw. Oh, I love it. Siguro, wala naman tong script. But we also want to ask, ano ba yung mga pieces of advice that we can also give lahat ng mga aspiring housemates dito? Let's go, Kobe. The corral is yours.
Siguro, the advice I would give you guys is to just be yourself. Be yourself and mag-enjoy kayo. Enjoy this whole process of auditioning and just show who you really are. So yeah, good luck.
Go, Andy.
So, para sa akin naman, you just really have to set your own goals, your objectives, and to embrace the journey. Kasi, hindi lang sa taong bayan mapuprove na kaya niyo, kundi sa sarili niyo rin. So, just give your all and be yourself.
That's true. Let's go, Ashton.
Good luck sa inyo. Enjoy ko lang.
There we go. Siguro, I have to say, don't be perfect, please, kasi no one ever trusts perfection. Kaya kung perfect kayo, nako, hindi kayo makakapasok sa bahay ni Kuya. So, we love you. We wish you guys all the best. And please remember, be yourselves or don't go here at all. Because we don't want to see the perfect you, we want to see the real you. So, we wish you guys all the best. We'll see you again very, very soon. Remember? Oh, Derek, sorry. Let's go.
Let's just share with them what changed in your life after. Go, Rain.
Ako po, personally, let's go way back. I am from Canada, so I auditioned in California. So one advice that I would want to tell you guys, because we go here, I mean, we're not all accepted. We're gonna go either pasok tayo o hindi. And one thing that you have to remember is you always have to try. Kasi after PBB, nag-teleserye po kami, nag-pandemic, nag-shutdown. And for most of us, that's the end, diba? But you really have to try again. And for me, it was PBB to Beanie. I was training for Beanie, and then now it's Beanie Pilipinas, right? So you just really have to keep trying it. It's all similar. Every try that you go back, it will make a change. It will make a different impact. So kahit hindi kayo man makuha today, I hope I can see you in other areas in the industry if this is really your passion. So yeah, I really hope that you guys have a great day. Take it, seize it, and live in the moment and be yourself.
Para sa akin naman, after being on PBB, I was able to discover so much about myself. Ang dami kong natutunan. I was able to create healthier relationships with people around me. Kasi just being able to step inside Kuya's house, you expand so much perspective sa nangyayari sa mundo natin. And I was driven by my passion, I was driven by all my goals, and until up to this day, I've been so consistent in being intentional sa lahat ng gusto kong ma-achieve. And I hope that's also one of the things na you guys can achieve, not just in stepping into PD, but also being a part of this audition as well.
That's great. Guys, before anything else, want to welcome as well here dito sa auditions sa mga members ng Lucky Season 7 as well. Vibery Esquito is here as well. Coming from Can't Buy Me Love. Ako po, magpapautang na ako sa iyo, Vibery. Vibery, ano ba yung gusto mong sabihin sa lahat ng mga members, or actually potential members ng Buy Me Love?
I have a lot to say, honestly. Pero, ito sasabihin ko as for general na kasi, of course, you guys are your own individuals. Ayan, so ang masasabi ko lang ay always be genuine. Know your purpose, bakit kayo sumali sa PBB, di ba? Ano yung reason kung bakit kayo nag-audition? And, of course, it's cliche to say it, but always be yourself and put your best foot forward.
Do you want to continue answering the next question?
Yeah, what I learned, sobrang grateful ako sa PBB. Something that I learned and that I hold with me hanggang ngayon is never doubt yourself and to never give up, because before I joined PBB, I was always doubting myself. I was always questioning myself if I was doing things right. But after joining, I was surrounded by such good people, a lot of good people who helped me, and I was given the best advices by my housemates, by Kuya. So I definitely learned how to love myself more, how to fight even more for my dreams. And ayun, yeah, I just want you guys to never give up and keep fighting for your dreams, guys. So ayun.
Wow. Ashton, biggest ano ba yung nagbago sa buhay mo?
Housemate ko naman sa mas parang naging pamilya ko na rin ulit sa labas. Sobrang dami kong natutunan sa loob. Tapos tinuruan niya ako ng tennis.
Parang naging bulky, naging lean si Ashton pagkatapos ng bahay ni Kuya. For me, really quick, do you have anything else to say? Dami nagbago, a lot of things happened, nag-shift yung perspective ko sa buhay. One of my biggest things I have to say, at sana if there's something that everyone takes away here today, I don't know, the chances are na konti lang yung makakapasok. As to the reality of the situation, konti lang talaga ang makakapasok sa bahay ni Kuya. So, we're not gonna say anything else about kung ano kayo makakapasok, kung ano yung mga tips and tricks. Actually, kasi yung totoo, walang ganyan. But the biggest thing I want to say to everyone here, is that at the end of the day, walang sayang. There's nothing that's a waste. Yung experience lang nito. Actually, one of the reasons kung bakit sumali ako sa PBB ay para masabi ko lang sa essay ko sa university na nag-audition ako sa show. Yun lang talaga nung una. That's the only reason. So walang sayang sa mundo. There is a purpose. Even if there's pain after today, there's a purpose in that pain. So please remember that. There's so much more than just PBB. But if you guys get in, there's so much more for you then as well. So it's gonna be good either way. We love you guys so much. And finally, one thing that changed for you pagkatapos sa bahay ni Kuya.
A lot has changed after ko mag-PBB. Kasi dati talagang super baba ng self-confidence ko. I feel like some of you guys here nahiyain pa, or it took you a lot of courage to audition to PBB, but since it's your dream, diba, na makapasok sa bahay ni Kuya, you took all the courage, and that's what I did. That's the first step. Take all the courage that you need para mag-audition. And so, ayun, nakapasok ako, thank God. And after that, after PBB, grabe, nag-iba yung perspective ko, nag-iba yung tumaas yung pangarap ko sa buhay, di ba? And, ayun, madami ako nakilala ng mga tao na naging importante sa buhay ko. And, yeah, maraming blessings na dumating. And there's many more for all of you guys. Just keep pursuing your dreams, always dream high, and believe in yourself.
Alright, can we give it up for all the housemates here today, guys? Is there anything else that I would like to do? Okay, guys, we'll see you, sana, sa PBB kung hindi, sa tunay na mundo dito sa labas. We love you guys, good luck! Thank you, guys.
What's up, future housemates? Nagkikwento lang ako sa inyong napakaliit lang na kwento. Nag-audition ako sa Araneta 2018. Sa Araneta, ang number ko noong pang 2,796 ako. At nung nakapila ako, guys, ang daming pagsumpuan dumaan sa akin. Hindi alam ko ni Direk Lore, hindi ko nasasabi sa kanya to. Nung nakapila ako sa basement parking ng Araneta, muntik na akong umalis. Muntik na akong umuwi. Dahil wala akong bilib sa sarili ko, yung damit ko noon, sakto lang. Nakikita ko yung mga ibang kasama ko doon, kompleto ng gamit, may bit-bit pa silang taga-ayos ng buhok nila. Ako bilang normal lang, nawalan ako ng kumpiyansa sa sarili ko. Naisipan ko tumayo, umuwi na lang. Pag nagtanong yung tatay at nanay ko, sabihin ko na lang daw ako nakuha. Kung ginawa ko yun ang pinakamalaking pagkakamali ko sa buhay ko. Yun siguro ang pinakamalaking pagkakamali ko sa buhay ko. Ang masasabi ko lang, advice ko lang din sa inyo guys, gaya ng, direct, sabihin ko ka. Ngayon napapansin ko po, nagtitiktok ako. Naiintindihan ko, hindi po madali ito. Hindi po talaga madali ang pumasok dito. At kahit nasa loob ka po ng bahay ni Kuya, hindi madali. At pag nasa loob ka ng bahay ni Kuya, ang sasabihin lang naman sa'yo ni Kuya, wala dito ang totoong laban, nasa labas. Paglabas mo. So kahit nakapasok ka ng bahay ni Kuya, hindi pa rin yun. Paglabas mo hanggang ngayon, hanggang ngayon lumalaban pa rin ako. So, simula yan. Ito yung magsisimula nyo guys, kaya galingan nyo lang. Advice ko lang, maging totoo lang kayo. Maging totoo. At pagpunta nyo siya sana dito, masaya kayo. Ang dami yung magiging kaibigan. For sure dito, ang dami nang magkakakilala. Meron na kayo isang grupo dito na sabay-sabay kayong pipila, sabay-sabay kayong kakain mamaya. Enjoyin nyo lang. Maging totoo lang, hindi ko siguro, kung tatandaan din natin to, kung para sa atin, para sa atin. Yan din ang inisip ko. Yan ang dala-dala ko noon kasi paano kapag sayang yung pagod ko, sayang yung pagod ko na pumila dito. Medyo may kurot ng konti na syempre, alam niyo na, na-embrace nyo na kahit pa paano na what if mag-housemate ako. So, wag ganun guys, wag ganun. Enjoy natin itong prosesong ito, masaya to. Pumunta tayo dito, lahat tayo dito isang pangarap lang. Lahat tayo dito, pangarap para sa sarili, pangarap para sa pamilya natin, sa mga kapatid natin. Ilang isipin natin. Kung papalarin man, baka isa sa inyo dito, makasalubong ko na rin sa ABS. Good luck sa inyo. Maging mabait lang. Maging mabait. Huwag kakalimutan kung saan nanggaling. Maging mabait lang palagi guys. Maging mabait. Huwag kong kakalimutan yan. At habaan nyo ang pasensya nyo. Habaan nyo ang mental health nyo. Habaan nyo yung physical health nyo. Hindi to madali. Hindi to 2 months na kayo sa loob ng bahay. Nagkakamali kayo guys. Ang totoong laban paglabas sa loob ng bahay. Yun lang ha. Good luck. Galingan nyo.